She's coming. Yeah. Come.
Yes, sir.
रहिए सर, आप भी रहिए सर.
Sorry, Mr. Pai's works.
You know, the moment I entered, I think there was a flash of rainbow, like a light everywhere. And the moment I started observing it closely, going one painting to another, when he was busy assisting another guest, I actually saw it and I was just realizing there's so much color, so much life. You know, so बोला जाता है ना कि life आपको हमेशा एक abstract चीज़ों में ही आपको बहुत अच्छी और खूबसूरत नजर आएगी. तो कहीं ना कहीं I think ये वही relate करता है because जब आप जिंदगी को नहीं देख रहे हैं ना उतने गौर से, तभी वो सबसे ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल नज़र आती है एक्चुअली. और नेचर खास करके जब आप इतना गौर से नहीं देख रहे, तभी आपको सडनली एक ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा जहाँ पर आपको नेचर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगेगी, ऐसा लगेगा ये सरियल मोमेंट है. तो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर एक्चुअली द सिमिलर माइंडसेट एंड ओवरऑल एंड आई थिंक एन आर्टिस्ट नाउ is has a mind of a rainbow. It's like an infinite rainbow that they have in. आप जितना डग अप करते जाओ, हमारे रोड्स के जैसे नहीं जो बॉम्बे के रोड्स आप डग अप करते जाओ, पता नहीं क्या मिल रहा है उसमें. मगर एक आर्टिस्ट का अगर आप दिमाग डग अप करोगे ना, आपको ऐसी ऐसी चीज़, ऐसी ऐसी कलाएं मिलेंगी, ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत चीज़ें मिलेंगी कि इट रियली जस्ट मार्वल्स मी टू नो दैट like art, craft is so vast, you know, you cannot cover in such a small canvas. I'm sure that he has still more to go when he goes back home, और भी कुछ बढ़िया सा चीज़ आएगा उनके दिमाग में. But overall, I really like it. It's a massive color explosion, nature to the best. Somewhere he's drawn map in such an intricate way, somewhere he's drawn abstract with life in such an intricate way. ओवरऑल इज ब्यूटीफुल. नेचर हमेशा ब्यूटीफुल है और जो भी नेचर को इतनी ब्यूटी से देखता है तो सोचिए उसका माइंड कितना अच्छा होगा. एंड आई थिंक मिस्टर पाइज माइंड इज एक्चुअली लाइक दैट. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर सच ब्रिलियंट वर्क एंड आई रियली विश दैट you know this goes to a house which admires and you know really enjoys this explosion of your art and your craft that you have put it here.
Sir, how does it feel having Rupali here? And tell us a little bit about your work.
Yeah, I'm so happy sitting here for my shows. And I told her this is my monsoon series, my nature series. So
कितने दिन लग गए ये बनाने में?
2 साल हो गए.
2 साल. तो आपने उसको खाया पिया कि सिर्फ नेचर ही देखा? क्योंकि हमेशा आर्टिस्ट ऐसा होता है ना कि सिर्फ नेचर ही देख रहा होता है, कुछ नहीं देख रहा होता है उस वक्त.
ना ऐसे कुछ नहीं, सब खाया भी है, काम भी किया. 2 साल से कर रहा हूँ.
Very nice, very nice. But anything which is your best painting here, which is your best work that you can say. मुझे ना बच्चों में हम चूज नहीं कर सकते कौन सा बेस्ट है. But कुछ तो होगा जो आपके मन के बहुत करीब है.
All the paintings are nice, but the first one, the big one.
Okay.
That's my best painting.
And what is the reason for it?
Oh, that's the colors are, you know, like admiring from that.
Oh. But you know, a lot of your colors are very therapeutic also. मतलब अंदर से बहुत एक थेरेपी देते हैं. मैंने आपको शायद थोड़ी देर पहले भी कहा था कि जिस भी वॉल में जाएगा उस वॉल में जान भर देगा. तो कहीं से मुझे लगता है कि आप एक थेरेपी निकाल के लेके आए हैं बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए. जो भी ये कुछ खरीदेगा अपने घर में लगाएगा, it's a kind of a therapy with colors, with nature, with your mind, with your craft. It's quite nice. It's very nice. Really nice.
सर, आर्टिस्ट बहुत होते हैं, लेकिन उनको चुनना भी एक कला है. और आपने मिस्टर पाई का वर्क्स क्यों चुना?
Actually, there are two ways of looking at the art. One, from a common man's perspective, where he sees only the beauties of painting, nothing else. The other side of looking at the painting is when you see both the technicalities of painting as well as the beauty of the painting. So as a gallerist, I see both things. For me, painting has to be good, first place, good subject and beautiful, as well as the composition wise, technically, also sound. That makes a good painting. So, since in business for the last 27 years as a gallerist, so I can make out easily that which painting is technically sound or not.
मतलब आप अंधेरे में भी चूज कर सकते हैं ये पेंटिंग बेस्ट बढ़िया है.
27 साल काफी 27 years in the field, so I.
सर, पर आप उनसे आज मिले लेकिन आपने पेंटिंग से पहले मिला, तो नॉर्मली आपके आर्टिस्ट के साथ ऐसे होता है.
I have been seeing his painting for more than a year, actually, more than an hour. Because artist का painting हम देख लेते हैं. So as a gallerist, if you are in films, you may not meet a person actor, but you know his art and you see his film. Similarly, I may not be the artist many times, but I know his art. So his gallery is like that. So I can see his painting for quite some time. I've seen before also. My meeting is first time. But I'm meeting his art for many years and I've seen good works of his. So that was made me interested in doing a show. The moment he mentioned his fellow man, Chandra, who is a close associate of the artist, he mentioned his name and I'm going to solution, fine, go ahead, I'm okay. Date wise, I'm no fixed date. If I like something, I immediately take a decision, I put a date. And my dates are like that. I never fix it, no, date is 5 February or no. If I like the work, if it is okay, then you tell me the date, right? Always, and then go ahead. But this happened at the same time. Either you give the date, don't ask me the date. So they gave me a date and I
You know, such a rare combination, an artist meeting an art lover. It's such a beautiful combination coming together. जब एक आर्ट लवर और एक आर्टिस्ट साथ में मिलते हैं तो कुछ अनोखा और अद्भुत होता है, and that's exactly what I can see on the walls. And beautiful work, sir. Thank you. I mean, you had an acumen to judge it at the right moment at the right
From day
time.
one, I started in 27, since March 99. Right from day one, I decided that I will always go for the good exhibition, good work, not after the till date I never realized only if I'm doing a show it has to be good. Just like if I'm showing an artist will be good. My focus is on that. Initially it was very difficult because when you start something nobody trusts you and trust factor is there. So only young emerging artists come to you. But over the years we established and now many senior established artists come to us and it's easy for us. Before it was struggle. So now many artists and we are showing good artists. We just finished a show in Dubai, all senior artists, well-known artists, very good show. It's in nowadays in March in Dubai, and we are doing many shows here. So now it's flying, it's in flow now.
But make sure you keep on encouraging, you know, artists here
Always.
who have a vision
Can
and
you
have
believe
an
that?
aspiration to show something beyond imagination.
I am doing very expensive. I just finished a very expensive show in Dubai. Many people told me that, no, you don't take emerging artists, no. It's a very expensive, only senior masters. I always balance it. I have always made it a point, no matter how big the show is, there will always be a very good emerging artist I pick up and I showcase.
That's very nice of you.
Always, I made it a point. No matter how many senior artists tell me, no, this is not our caliber. So, and after that, 2 years ago, he's a very good artist. Same. So this is the field is like that. So I said 2 years before, you said he's not our caliber. Now you are running after the artist. This happens in our field. So many artists have come up, go very far, short time. When initially senior artists criticize them, later they try to become friend to them, and they appreciate their work. So,
Sir, how do you feel today? Here is your exhibition.
I'm so happy with the gallery and the person, Mr. Sunil. I'm so happy. See, this is my first show.
What is your next series about, sir?
No, that
Yeah,
happened.
even I'm interested to know. What's your next
now,
series about?
Now I'm in this, what this monsoon series only. I have to think.
So if the monsoon is over, can we also see like a
Yeah.
winter season
Yeah, winter
series,
also.
or maybe can we also
We
see
will see.
spring, autumn, or something of that sort?
Monsoon is so colorful. How colorful would spring be?
Oh, imagine that,
Okay.
yes, with some
You can
flowers
do
in
that.
it. And right now, I think there are a lot of landscapes that I can see. You know, it really has, yeah, because here also, behind me, there's a lot of landscape. You are fond of a lot of landscape. Are we also
I have
seeing
to
some
see now.
flowers?
Now I have to start
Flowers,
some
love,
more figurative
abstract,
stuff.
okay.
Let's start some figurative stuff.
Okay, that's nice. I'm looking forward to the next work also then. And all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Keep rising high. Make sure that you fill in the colors not only in the canvas but also in people's lives.
Yes.
Because wherever this goes, this will fill in the love and the life of people also. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
That is Mr. Mohan Pai from Bangalore, very senior, eminent and very good landscape abstract artist. Actually he's a landscape artist, but I also see some good abstract in his painting. So I would say it is a landscape abstract artist. And it's a very beautiful work, very well presented, very good texture and composition, color, everything is fantastic. Very reasonably priced, very humble person, very nice person. His paintings are as good as he is basically. Though I'm meeting first time, but from the painting I can make out the person's character. Painting reflects that. So I would say he's a very, and I met him today actually in person first time. my gallery, we are doing solo exhibition, and I'm so happy that you all came. Thank you, Mr. Lewis. Okay, also यहाँ पे artist research project, and Anusha, your support on very welcoming actually. So I think the show should go well. As producer, so happy that you all came.
Leslie, how does it feel seeing Mr. Pai's work?
So I met Mr. Pai. I think he's a fab guy. बहुत वंडरफुल आदमी है. वो उनकी पेंटिंग्स भी दिखाई देता है. और मुझे कह रहे थे कि मेरे फैन, बट मैं भी अभी थोड़ा उनका फैन बन रहा हूँ. क्योंकि ये जो हम्पी के जो है वो कुछ अलग सेट है. सीरियस लग रहा है. और जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है, मैं उनको कह रहा था कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बोलने के लिए आप बोल रहे हैं. मुझे तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लग रही थी. मुझे कुछ दिख रहा है उसमें. And I love it. It's very colorful. It's his mind. और जब आर्टिस्ट के माइंड के अंदर आप जब तस्वीर देख के जा सकते हैं तो you know it's beautiful. And I wish you all the very best. And rock and roll.
How do you feel, sir, having Leslie ji to inaugurate you?
To see him. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट शो है सुनील जी का गैलरी में. दिस इज माय नेचरस्केप and from Coastal. So this is my monsoon series. So love to show the things with the Sunil Ji gallery. So I'm very happy here. And thank you so much, sir, for coming.
सर, आपके वर्क के बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें.
ये तो मेरे को ये मेरा मानसून सीरीज है जहाँ मैं सैंड फ्रॉम मैंगलोर फेमस फॉर रेन बीचेस ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो ये मेरे को ये जो पूरा इंस्पायर हो गया. सो मैं ये मेरा पूरा वर्क में आप जो देख सकते हो लैंडस्केप रेनी सीजन ऑल दिस थिंग्स ऑल रेनी मूड्स ऑफ इन माय पेंटिंग्स.
Anything else you would like to say, sir, Leslie? And maybe 2 lines from it.
एक तो डेफिनेटली आपका गैलरी जो है यहाँ स्वान अच्छा लगा कि ये बॉम्बे में यहाँ भी और ही कुछ अच्छा गैलरी में इंटरेस्टिंग जगह है. एंड एज फार एज यू आर कंसर्न मिस्टर पाई, ऑल द बेस्ट. और मानसून के बाद जो नेक्स्ट सीरीज आएगा वो भी हम देखेंगे. तो आई नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you. Let me have you sing the line if you are comfortable.
Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sunny top of my girl. Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sunny top of my girl.
क्या बात है, बहुत
To see you in our future shows.
Yes.
More and more.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गैलरी की मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ एक म्यूजिकल इंटीमेट स्पेस भी बन सकता है.
Yes, yes, we do.
इट्स वेरी क्वाइट, इट्स वेरी लॉस्ट आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे. ऐसा लग रहा है द आर्ट ऑफ बॉम्बे. लेकिन लग रहा है कि और तो एक अनप्लग्ड या पर्सनल कॉन्सर्ट यहाँ बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. मुझे लगता है वाइब अच्छा है. वाइब आर्टिस्ट के लिए वाइब अच्छा होना जरूरी है. आई थिंक दैट्स दिस प्लेस इज गॉड.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.